Hi, welcome to Kim and Niall's Arts. In this video we are unboxing the new electric resin mixer by Resin. We have a discount code for you at the end of this video, and we will just be showing you a few of the different settings on the mixer. So in this box you get an instruction manual, a charger, a USB-C charger as it's a wireless device. You have 3 different speed settings. You can press a button to change the direction of the mixer as well when you're mixing. You have a timer on there which can go up to time about 5 minutes. We haven't actually checked the maximum time, but you keep pressing it and it adds on the time. This is my favourite part. I love that there's a timer on the handle. There's 2 different size paddles to mix with when you want to change to a smaller cup or a bigger cup. And there's an AI button which will remember the previous setting you used when you last had it switched on, and you can easily clean the spatulas. The only thing I would recommend with this is not to let the resin touch the device, so make sure the jug is big enough where it's not too big and the stick goes right in, because you do not want to get any resin into the device. We will be using this mixer in all our future videos, as it will change the quality of our mixing, as mixing by hand is fine for beginners and you can get the job done, but with the mixer we feel we can mix a lot more thoroughly.